Imagine this, a typical day at your workplace, suddenly interrupted by an unforeseen emergency, a severe injury, a life hanging in the balance, and the clock ticking. Did you know it takes 2 to 5 minutes to bleed out from a major arterial wound? The average EMS response time, over 20 minutes. In these critical moments, would you or your team have what you need to save lives? Enter Free State Safety Training. We are not just trainers, we're lifesavers and suppliers. Our trauma kits are a game changer. Developed with the expertise of a world-renowned healthcare institute, these kits are designed to manage serious trauma way beyond a typical first aid kit. Have what the EMTs use to handle major injuries. And the benefits? Immediate response capability, reduced risk, and most importantly, the power to save lives. Whether you're in the office or out in the field, our kits are sized and tailored for any scenario. Here is a special offer. Book a bundle of 3 or more safety training courses in a 6-month period and receive a free trauma kit for your team. It's a vital addition to your safety arsenal. Don't wait for an emergency to realize the importance of being prepared. When a life is on the line, you need more than a kit from Amazon with Band-Aids and ACE bandages. Equip your team today with the tools to protect what you value most. Visit our website or call us now so that you can be prepared. FreeStateSafetyTraining.com, where preparation saves lives.